and then I got Amira. So yeah, these three homework I got. What about the rest of you guys? What about Shreyash and okay, not the Shreyash. Rupali Gupta. So is that you, Shreyash? Yes. Rupali Gupta, please correct your name. So why are you Shreyash? Hello. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, did you guys find any doubt in any of these questions? So Abir only did the 35th question, right?
Yes, sir. I tried the others, but I was not able to do it.
Okay. And Amira also, Amira also
Yes,
tried
sir.
the 35th one. And Tejasvi has 35th, 49, 50, and 51. So you have tried all these questions. Okay. So let us quickly, I guess, let us quickly understand these problems and then we'll go to the, because I want to finish this exercise quickly and go into the triangle. So yeah, let us quickly discuss the 30 problem. Okay, so guys, I guess everyone attempted this question. So, let us see what is the correct answer. S7 was given, right? And S7, which means that we know 7 by 2, A 2A plus 6D equals to 180. So this we know, right? So if we take 2 common, so this would be A plus 3D, which is 182. So this 2 cancels and this 7 can, yeah, so can this 7 cancel this one? So A plus 3D is 182 divided by 7. So 2 and 6. So A plus 3D is 26. This we know, right? This is the first equation. And what is the other? Other one is A4 by A70 is 1 by 5. Right, guys? So A plus 3D. Okay, A plus 3D is already given. So A plus 3D divided by A plus 16D. This is 1 by 5. So A plus 3D is 26. Right, so I can directly use this. And this is A plus 16D. So this is how much? 130. So A plus 16D is 130. And this is A plus 16D is 130 and A plus 3D is 20. So minus, 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 and this is 13D equals to 4, and this is 2, 0, and 1. Okay, so does this 13 cancel? Equal to 104 by 13. So 13 is how much? So 8's are right. D is 8 and A plus 3D is 26. So we will get what? A plus 3D is 26. So A is 26 minus 3D. So 26 minus 3 into 8. So 26 minus 24, so A equals to 2. So A is 2, D is 8, so the next term would be 10, and then 18, and then so on. So this is the A. So who got the right answer? Let me check. Yeah. So okay. So you stopped at halfway. Amira, you stopped at the halfway, right? Why didn't you go ahead? I guess so. Yeah, you had to use the other information also. Understood, Amira? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
you reached here, and then this was the second information, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, you need to apply this one also. So just take the and Amira, yeah, Amira got the right answer. Okay, and he just what about yeah, you also got the right. So what okay, so yeah. So Amira, did you note down this part?
Yes, sir.
And who is Rupali Gupta? Can you guys identify who is this? Rupali Gupta, who are you? What's your real name? Are you Shreyash? Shreyash Gupta. So I guess.
Yes, sir, I forgot to rename.
Oh yeah. So why didn't you change your name? So, and did you try those homework, Shreyash?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you didn't send me the homework. So you check whether your answer is correct or not. Amira, noted.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us understand this 49th problem, right? So in the 49th problem, what is given? So the ratio of sum of first m and the first n terms of NAP is this one, this one is very big. Sm by Sn. This is equal to what? M squared by n squared. Right. Show that the ratio of its mth and nth term is 2m minus 1 and divided by n minus 1. Right. So Sm is how much? This is m by 2 and 2a plus n m minus 1 into t. Right. And what is Sn? So this is n by 2 and 2a plus n minus 1 into t. And this is equal to m square divided by n square. So this 2 and this 2 cancel, right? And this n goes over here, this m goes over here. So we have what? We have 2a plus m minus 1 into t, right? And 2a plus n minus 1 into t. This is m squared into n divided by n squared. So this m cancels, this m cancels. So we have what? 2a plus m minus 1 into t and 2a plus n minus 1 into t. This is m by, right guys? Yeah. So is this clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you see that if I want to, yeah, so let us leave it here, right? Because we cannot simplify this further, so let us leave it at this point. And now what is the question? So we need to find out ratio of the mth term. What is the mth term? How can I represent that? Yeah.
A plus m minus n
Yeah.
into d.
Mth term is this, right? And yeah, you are correct, Tejas, and nth term. So ratio of these two terms, am by an, right? This we have to prove that this is 2m minus 1, right? Divided by 2n minus 1. So this we need to prove. Okay. Is this understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so and am would be how much? A, as the Tejasvi said, this would be a plus m minus 1 into t, right? And this would be a plus n minus 1 into t. So this we need to prove that this is 2 minus 1. Okay. So you guys see that if okay, so to compare this, we have to get rid of this term, right? So we have to get rid of this term. So what we will do is that we will take 2 common from here. So if we take 2 common, this would be a plus m minus 1 by 2 into d, right? And then this would be 2 common, so a plus n minus 1 into by 2 into d. This is m by, okay. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So understood this part. Amira, Abir, understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you see that if this was m minus 1 by 2, so this was m. Okay. So if this was m minus 1 by 2, so this was m. And if this was n minus 1, so this was n. Right. So to get m minus 1 in this part, what I will do? Yeah. Just compare this with this. Okay. So just compare this with this. Or what you can do is that, so what you can do is that you can write a plus and m minus 1 by 2. So m minus 1 by 2 is changed to m, right? So m minus 1 is changed to m. So this would be how much? M minus 1 would be how much? This would be equal to 2 and minus 1. So here minus 1. Let me see how can get so a plus a minus 1 into t. We need to find out this. And we know that yeah. So if I write this one as m by 2 minus 1. This is a plus m by 2 minus 1 by 2, right? Into d, and this is a plus n by 2 minus 1 by 2. into d. This is m by. Okay, and let me write this as a plus m by 2 and minus half. So I can subtract minus half and add plus half. Right? Is this clear to you guys? Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And similarly, if I uh, minus half and then plus half. So this is m by, okay. So this would be how much? This would be a plus m minus m by 2 plus 1, right? Minus 1. And this would be a plus, okay, this was a difficult question that I m by, right. So you see that if this is m plus 1 by 2, so this becomes n. Understood? So if this is m, right? So if I change this as m, so this would be how much? Let's say that this is m prime, right? M prime is m plus 1 to m plus 1 by 2 is, let's say, n. So this goes over here, right? So this m becomes 2m minus 1, right? So if I change this m plus 1 by 2 as m, okay. If I change m plus 1 by 2 as m, so this would become how much? M would become how much? Clear or not clear? Yes. Yes, guys, clear or not clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Abir and Tejasvi, Amira, you guys are not responding. So I can explain it again. So if you guys don't understand, then I can explain it again. Yeah.
So
Is
can you
that
explain?
okay? So yeah. So see from here, right? Is this part clear? So is this part clear? This part?
Yes, sir. This part is clear.
And is this part clear?
No, sir.
Yeah, so why did I wanted to change into this one? So something minus 1, right? Something minus 1, you guys know that that is the nth term. Something minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what I am doing is that what you have here? You have, yeah. So in place of m plus 1 by 2, you have m,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So you just put m plus 1 by 2 equals to m, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what you will get? So this m will change to what? To m minus 1. So whatever this m was, this will change to 2m minus 1. Is that clear? So
Yes.
you are changing this to be m, right? You are
Yes, sir.
changing this to be m, so then this will change to m minus 1. Okay, so this was the question, and if you're writing a plus, this is m minus 1 into d, and this is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this part will change to 2m minus 1 and 2m minus 1. This was the answer. Okay, we needed to get this part, right? So this part gave you this. So this m will be m will be 2m minus 1. This should be actually m prime, right? But yeah. So, is this clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note it down, and then Amira, did you understand this part? Abir and Amira, did you understand this part?
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah, I
Yes, sir.
understand.
Okay, so please note it down, and then we will do the 50 and 51 question. Guys, quickly note it down, and we want to complete this chapter today because from Wednesday I want to start the drawing. Noted up to this point.
Yes, sir. Noted.
Okay, and this part,
Yes, sir. Mine is done. Alhamdulillah.
yes, Abir and Tejasvi, you did this problem, right?
Yes, sir.
You have also, yeah, you have done this problem. But what method did you use? Did you use okay, you calculated got A and D. A and minus 1 and D and minus M. So 2A equals to D, right? Yeah, so this is also correct. I guess yeah, this is also correct. Yes, Tejasvi, correct, correct. Okay, noted everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us do this 50 problem, and then so if the sum of first m terms of B and the sum, show that sum of m plus term C is the same as P. I'll quickly do this problem and then 50. If the ratio of the m terms, if the sum of first m terms Sm is the same as the sum of first n terms, so Sm is equals to Sm. This is given, right? Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
And we need to show that Sm plus n is right. So what is Sm? Sm is m by 2a plus m minus 1 into t, and Sn using this one. So this is n by 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Right. So this 2 cancel, and we have 2am plus m into m minus 1 into t, and then we have 2 and an plus n into n minus 1 into t. Right. This one here. And then what do we have? So 2am is m square and d and minus of md. And this is 2an plus n square d minus of n. Right. So what do we have? We have 2am and 2an. So 2am minus 2an, and then we have n square d minus nd minus m square d plus m. This would be a, and m minus n is common. And in here also we have d common, so this is n square minus n and minus m square and plus m, right? So what I can do from here that this is n square minus m square. Okay, so I can I can take okay, so this is n square minus m, so n square minus m square plus m minus, right? So this is how much? This is n plus m, and this is n minus m plus m minus. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
ultimately you guys see that I want to get this factor. This is mine. So how can I get, I have this n minus n and m minus n. So how can I get m minus n? Yeah. Yes. How can I get m minus n? Yes. So if I take, this is n plus m. If I take negative common from here, so this would be how much? Minus n and plus n. Understood? So you see that m minus n, m minus n is common. So I have m minus n common, and this is minus of n and plus m, and this is plus 1. So 2am minus n. So m minus n cancel, and I have so what do I have? I have 2a equals to d 1 minus n minus. Is this part clear, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have calculated 2a. So what is Sm plus n? Sm plus n is m plus n by 2. 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So what is the value that I know?
2a.
So let's plug in this value. So m plus n by 2. 2a is d into, right, 1 minus n minus m plus m n minus 1 into d. So let's simplify this. So this is m plus n by 2, d minus nd minus md plus md plus nd minus d. So d cancel, nd cancel, nd cancel. So 0. M plus 1 by 2 into 0. So 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Sm plus
Yes,
n.
sir.
This was the question. If you guys have any doubt, you can ask me. And okay, I have already spent half an hour. So you guys quickly note it down. And if you guys have any question, you can ask. Yes, any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Okay, Tejasvi, you also did this problem. primes. What?
I guess it's not correct.
Huh?
I guess it's not correct, the method I used.
What you are getting? Yeah, there are so many equal signs, right? So just be careful of that, right? And the idea is correct. Idea is correct, right? So the idea is correct. Yeah.
Sir, can you scroll it down?
Is okay. 2087. What I will do is that you guys have solved these difficult questions, then the exercise question would be easy, right, guys? Noted, everybody.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tejasvi, are you noting it down?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. Shreyash,
Yes, sir.
noted.
Yes, sir.
Now let us start what problem and okay, the ratio of sum of first n terms of an AP is what? So as n and we have two different AP. Okay, one is Sn, the other one is Sn prime. Right. So the ratio of the first n terms, both have n equal to n, both n are same. So Sn by Sn prime is what? 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus 27. Okay, this is given. And this would be how much? So this would be 2n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into t. And the other one is n by 2. And this has different first terms. So 2a prime plus n minus 1 t prime. Okay, and this is 7n plus 1, 4n plus 27. So n by 2, n by 2 cancel. Right. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So this will be how much? 2a. And again, we take 2 common. So if we take 2 common, so this would be how much? A plus n minus 1, right? Divide by 2. So 2 is taken common. This is the similar kind of question as the previous one. So a prime plus n minus 1 by 2 into t prime. And this is how much? 7n plus 1 by 2 and 4n plus 2. So again, this 2 cancel. Understood? So we have how much? A plus n minus 1 by 2 and into t divided by a plus a prime plus n minus 1 by 2 t prime. So this is 7n plus 1 and 4n plus 27. This is the result that we have. Okay. Now in the question, what they are asking. So we need to find out the ratio of their ninth terms. Okay. We need to find out the ratio of the ninth terms. So first, what would be ninth ratio of nine terms? So that would be, well, first let us calculate that what is the ratio of nth term. Okay, what is a n by a prime? Let us try to find that out, and then we'll be able to solve this part. Okay, what is the ratio of nine terms? Understood? Because we need to find out what we need to find out a9 and divide by a9. So this we need to find out. Okay. Okay, so an by an prime would be how much? This would be a plus n minus 1 into d divided by a plus n minus 1 by 2, not 2, divided by, right? So this is the an by a prime, right? Yes. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I do is that I multiply, so I replace n with 2n, right? So I replace n with 2n, so this would be how much? If I replace in here, so in here, I replace n with 2n. So this would be a plus 2n minus 1 by 2, right? And then this would be into d. And okay, so let me first write this way. So I have who got disconnected? Shreyash got this. Okay, so let us write in this way: a plus n by 2 minus 1 by 2 into d, right? And again a prime plus n by 2 minus 1 by 2 into d. So this is 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27, right? So this would be how much? Let me do what? N by 2 minus half plus half and minus half. And again, in here also I have a plus n by 2 minus half plus half minus half. So this would be 7n plus 1 and 4n plus 20. This would be how much? This would be a plus n by 2 plus, right, n plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay. And then this is a prime plus n plus 1 by 2 minus 1 into d. Understood, guys? Is this clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So what I do is that, okay. So to get n minus 1. Right? To get n minus 1, so I need to replace this with n. Right? Is this clear? So n to get n minus 1, I need to replace n plus 1 by 2 with n. Replace n with n plus 1 by 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So let us write n plus 1 by 2 as n, right? So this would be a plus n minus 1 by 2, right? And this would be how much? A prime plus n minus 1 by d and d prime, right? So this is replaced with n plus 1 by 2, right? And plus 1 divided by 4 and plus 1 divided by 2 plus 27. Okay, so but so n is replaced by this, so this becomes n becomes what? 2n minus 1, right? We are replacing this, so n becomes 2n minus 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Same as
Yes, yes,
before.
yes.
Yeah, same as
Yes, sir.
before. Same as before. So we are replacing this n plus 1 by 2 as n. So this n becomes 2n minus 1. Same as before, as we did in the previous question. So replace n with 2n minus 1 plus 1 and then 4 2n minus 1 plus 27. So this would be how much? This would be 14n minus 7 plus 1, and this is 8n minus 4 plus 27. So this would be 14n minus 6, and this is 8n minus plus 20. So this would be an divided by an prime. Understood? Yes, clear.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so we need to find out a9 by a prime 9. So this would be 14 into 9 minus 6 and 8 into 9 plus 20. So this would be, and this is how much? So this is 120 by, this is 5 and 9. So this is how much? And, oh, 24 by 90. Right, this is a9 by a prime 9. Understood, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you guys note it down, and if you have any doubts, so you can ask me that. Right, so you can ask me that. Yeah, so from here, this is the question, right? Question.
Noted.
Noted, already noted.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Just down, down.
Yeah. Yeah, is this okay? So what did you get? Did you 24 by 19. So you got the same answer, right?
Yes, sir.
But how did you get 10 minus?
I didn't wrote the steps, sir. That.
Okay. And you got n equals to 70.
Noted, sir.
Okay. So just this is the crucial point to remember, that how do you make this as n minus 1? So this is the crucial point, right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, your n plus 1 by 2 becomes n, right? So then your n becomes how much? This is 2n minus 1. I should write prime so that, but that would be confusing, right? So if I write this as n prime, right? So this becomes n prime, and this is 2n prime minus 1. But this would be confusing too. So just remember that n changes to 2n minus 1. Understood?
Yes, yes, sir.
Just
Yes.
yeah, just compare this with this, and then just do the same in the right hand side. So that is this n changes to 2n minus 1, where you change this to n. This is the only point. Okay, let us. We have only 10 minutes or so, so let us quickly finish this, and then yeah. So 16th we did, right. 17th is I will quickly do this problem, and then you guys. Okay, I will quickly do this problem, and then I will give 2 more points, right? So that this chapter is complete. And yeah, so any problem did you guys face in this chapter? So if you have any doubt, you can also ask me at any time. So in a school, students thought of planting trees in around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. A section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, right? So class 1 will plant 1 tree, class 2 will point, so 1 tree, right? The class 2 would point, would plant 2 trees, class third will 3, right? And class 4 will plant 4 trees, and so on. So class 12 will plant 12 trees, right? So this is about the planting part. And then we have another, okay, in which they are studying. Okay, there are 3 sections of each class. So we have 3 sections, right? So then this would be also multiplied with 3. So this would be 3 trees. So class 1 will plant 3 trees. This will plant 6. This will plant 9, and this will plant 12, and 12 will plant 36 trees. So is this part clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will not. How many trees will be planted? So we have to find S12, because we have 12 plus, so we have to find S12. We have A. We have A is 3, D is 3, N is 12. We need to find out S12. So I will quickly, because I have only 5 minutes, and I will take 5 minutes more of you guys. So yeah, quickly do this, because we got stuck in that homework question, right? So S12 we need to find out 12 by 2 into 3 plus 11 into, right? So 6 and 6 plus 33 is 6 into 39. So how many plants? So 234 plants. Right. Is this clear, guys? Quickly note it down, and then we'll do the 18th, 19th, and then yeah,
Yes, sir. Done.
done.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay, Shreyas got disconnected and then he didn't join. In the next class, we'll start next chapter. That would be triangle. And yeah, what I want to do is that I want to quickly complete. Okay, so next is triangle, coordinate geometry, and trigonometric ratios. At least we should reach that. We should complete these chapters. So 18th one. But before I do the 18th one, you guys tell me that what is the circumference of the circle? If this is the radius, what is the circumference of the circle? Perimeter, circumference of the circle. Do you guys remember or you guys have forgotten? Yeah. Circumference of the circle.
2 pi r.
Pi, yeah, right? So this is 2 pi. And let's say that I cut this in half. So I make a semicircle. Then what would be the circumference or perimeter?
Pi r.
Pi, yeah. First, okay, so only this we needed to remember that the circumference of the semicircle is pi. Okay, so now in this question, this L1 is how much? Pi R1, because this is a semicircle, and then this L2. L2 is pi R2. Okay, L3 is pi R3, and so on. So our spiral is made up of, so let's say A, B, E, so on. What is the total length of such spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? So N is given, which is 13, right? And R1 is how much? 0.5. So L1 is 0.55. L2 is 1 pi, which is pi. L3 is 1.55. So what is the common difference? L2 minus L1. This is pi minus 0.55, so 0.55. This is D, okay. This is A. A is given, D is given, N is given. So S13 would be how much? 13 by 2 to A, which is 0.55 plus 12 into D. So this is 13 by 2. This is how much? Pi plus 6 pi. So this is 13 by 2 into 7 pi. And what is the value of pi?
22 by 7.
Right. So this 7 cancels. This is 11. So this is how much? 13 ones are 13. Right. And 13 ones are 13 plus 1. 40. So 143 is eighth. So this would be the answer. Right. 143, how much? Centimeter. You guys quickly note it down, and if you guys have any doubt, you can ask. Yes. Any doubt in this question? So we have this spiral, right, which is made up of semicircle, and we have to find the total length. So total length would be this one, this one. Okay. Okay, so there, I guess there is a class that would be. So yeah, you guys quickly note it down and then we'll end the class. And you guys try the 19th and 20th question. So that would be your homework. Okay.
Done, sir. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Right,
So
sir.
19th and 20th would be your homework. Okay, guys. Yeah. 19 and 20.
Done, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. 19 and 20 as your homework. Guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Learnivio team is telling me to end the class. So bye guys, bye, and see you on Wednesday. Bye guys.
Sir, I
Thank you,
cannot, I will not be able to take class on Wednesday because actually I'm going on vacation. So,
Okay.
it maybe I can take also and I cannot take also. So it would be like the situation.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
So
problem.
understand for me.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. So yeah, whenever you join in the next class, so then we will discuss this question. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Bye,
Jazakallah.
Allah.
Assalam.
Wa alaikum salam. Bye.